Welcome to HVS Technology. So in this video we are demonstrating the project of keypad based door locking system. So the component we have used in this project, we are using keypad, buzzer. When the wrong password is detected, then the buzzer will give alerting system, and we are using servo motor to open and close the doors, and we are using Arduino Uno board. So when we enter the password of 1234, then it is the correct password. Then the servo motor will rotate to 90 degrees to open the door. When any other instead of 1234, any other password should be entered in the keypad, then the buzzer will give alerting system. So we are using power supply for this project is adapter. It takes 230 volts of AC and provides us 5 volts of DC. From that 5 volts of DC, we are giving power supply to Uno buzzer and servo motor. So now you can see here I'm plugging on the kit. So you can see the kit is on. So now I am entering password of 1 2 3 4, and to enter the password keep hash. So you can see the servo motor is unlocked to 90 degrees and it come to the initial position. When I press any other password of instead 1234, I am pressing wrong password, then you can see the buzzer gets alarm system and the door is not open. So when the password is entered is correct, then only the door will open. Again I am entering wrong password. So like this project will be work. Thank you.